Good morning and welcome to Rose Red Homestead. Actually, it's about lunchtime, and we're going to fix one of Jack's very favorite lunches. Jack is now working at a grocery store. We're really proud of him. He's doing very well. And I fixed this the other day, and he just loved it. And he's been taking them to lunch for his lunch when he goes to work. So he's out doing some yard work today on his day off. And we're going to fix this lunch for him and then invite him to come in. He won't come in front of the camera. So this is not necessarily what you might call a food storage meal. However, I keep all of these things on hand in duplicates in our freezer. This is puff pastry. This is deli ham, and we always have deli ham either in our deli drawer or else in the freezer. And these are packages of cheese, which we often have out in the freezer. So essentially, we are doing it from our food storage, but it may not work as a food storage meal if you don't have these on hand. We're also going to be using some of our homemade mustard, which has turned out to be one of our most favorite things. The original jar that I made as a trial for the video is almost all gone, and we're about to need to make another batch. So this is our puff pastry. I just buy, I think it's Pillsbury puff pastry, and I keep it in the freezer. So I've had this out fine for a couple of hours so that it is very pliable. And we're just going to open it up on this parchment paper. And we're going to leave it the size that it came in. Sometimes we roll it out thinner for other things, but I do use puff pastry for a lot of different things. I really quite like it. I've tried to make it myself, and while I can, and it's just really time consuming, and I would just rather have it in packages in the freezer ready to go. So on this base right here, and we're going to be making 9 little pockets. They're open pockets. They're not sealed pockets, but he likes to call them pockets. We are going to be layering just some deli ham, and you can use whatever meat you wish to make these. Ooh, this smells really, really, really good. So we're just going to run the meat down the 3 sides. This will almost just work like this. That's our oven. I have the oven at 425. And then I'm going to cover the ham with some of our mustard. And you could put the mustard right directly on the dough, of course, but we quite like it on the ham. And while I will put our little recipe down in the below the description of the video, you can really turn this into your recipe by using your chosen ingredients, because this works so well. And you see I'm really slathering on the mustard. The mustard is an important taste for this. Then I'm going to put on some layers of baby Swiss. And then the last thing is to just put the top layer of dough on. And where the creases are, we're going to just cut with a pizza cutter so that we are going to do thirds and thirds. Now you can pull them apart a little bit if you wish. I don't wish. I cook them just exactly like this. And they're going to go in the oven, 425, until the pastry has puffed all up, the cheese is melty, and they are nice and golden brown. I'm going to help that golden brown by putting a little egg wash on. Now this is just an egg with a couple of tablespoons of water and then mixed with a fork. So our oven is ready. These are going in, and I'll see you on the other side. Well, here we are. After about 20 minutes, 22 minutes, these are done and they are beautiful. So I'm just going to recut them. And once these cool, they fit perfectly in little sandwich bags and they go in the freezer. So all Jack has to do is just open the freezer, take a couple, and pop them in his lunchbox, and he is good to go. So I'm going to just take one, and we'll call him in for lunch, and he will love these. So here it is. And I'm going to just take a little bite on the edge here. The crust is so crumbly and lovely, just like puff pastry is supposed to be. And then, of course, the inside with the ham and the cheese and the mustard. Oh. They are luscious. So try this, let us know what you think, and we'll see you again very soon for more videos.